camping site in Switzerland, Weiss. It's a very small camping site. Next to the river. The camping site is very beautiful. It's a little away from Zurich city. So yesterday we finished Zurich city. It was part of our road trip and we reached on this camping site. Most of camping site close at 7 or 8 o'clock. Few of them were closing their site nearby 10 o'clock, but it was full. So we reached here in small village, and this camping site was open until 10 o'clock at night. So we haven't booked anything in this road trip. So we just googled it and we called this little lady. She was speaking German, but by small words we asked her to keep open the site so we can check in. When we reached, she was there in reception. So be careful when you come for camping, because if you book camping site, then you have to reach on time. These people don't care, they just close every camping site on time. We are in Switzerland. We reach here nearby 10 o'clock at night. We started camping here. This is our tent. Car. We're making our lunch. Chicken fried. Next location is just 30 minutes away from this place. So we leave at nearby 9 o'clock in the morning. Right now preparing now for tea. We already prepare our lunch box. We don't eat outside in restaurant. We just eat little bit to have taste of local food. So this is chicken tikka biryani. Sorry, chicken tikka. We'll eat with bread. And then after 9 o'clock in the morning, we leave for another location as a part of a road trip. We'll continue. Hello guys, we are Weiss. It's a German name. So this is very small camping, a long strip next to the river. You can hire this caravan cabins. This is not cheap actually. We paid for one tent, car, and 2 adults for 25 franc, French franc, Swiss money. Yes, it's a long strip, but the site is very beautiful. You see, the river is just adjoined to the site. This camping site is just I think 40 kilometers away from Zurich, and it's open until 10 o'clock. The lady is very nice, so we called her. She don't understand English, but somehow she understood us. So she kept open site for us because we were very late from Zurich. This is very beautiful, where you can do a kayaking or boating or water sport, any water sport here. Yes. Isn't it amazing? Yes, it is. The water is very chill because we are shooting in the morning, that's why. In the afternoon you can do kayaking, many things here. Even you can keep your chairs here and enjoy your meal by watching this river.